Hi guys, this is Mr. Gore coming at you with Screencast number 12 for this academic school year. Today's big question: how did what you learn in EC3 prepare you for grade 9 design technology? I want you to consider that question as we move through today's agenda and as we get into class tomorrow. The first point on the agenda is an important one. We will be meeting tomorrow in the high school Mac lab. That is SS1206. And the reason for that is that we are going to use all of this class period and the next class period to sandbox After Effects, Flash, and Photoshop. And we have loaded these three programs onto the computers in the high school Mac lab. Okay? So do not even go to MC005, our usual classroom. Just go straight to the high school Mac lab. Be on time because we'll have a lot of stuff to do in a short amount of time. Okay, just like we did last year for the Game On unit when you were learning to use Scratch and Game Salad, we have created an Advertise It Wiki, in which we will encourage you once again to share video tutorials that you find helpful, that help you to learn how to use After Effects, Flash, and Photoshop. And we'll also encourage you, as you start to develop your skills in those programs, to create your own screencasts that you can share with your colleagues so that we can once again build an online learners network in which we're sharing information with each other and helping each other build up our skills. All right, I'd like to take you there and show it to you. If you go onto our Moodle page under Advertise It, under Plan, you will see that we have a link here for Advertise It Wiki. If you click on that, it will take you to the wiki that Mr. Moyer and I have created on a Google site web page or website. You will see over here that we have an Advertise It tab that will serve as an introduction to the wiki, give you a little bit of an explanation about how it's going to be used. And then underneath, we have created subpages for After Effects, Flash, and Photoshop. So I'm just going to go in here to After Effects. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the wiki. The most important thing is that for you to have access to this wiki, you have to be logged in to Google using your Amersol account. Okay? If you log in using your Amersol account, you then have rights to edit the page. And you can do like Mr. Moyer has done here. He's added 3 tutorials, 1, 2, and 3, as well as our colleague Tamara Galeote. She has already added 2 video tutorials that she found helpful in learning some basic skills in After Effects. And the way that she did this was the following. Again, she logged in with her Amersol. She clicked on the link in Moodle, and it brought her to the wiki. Then up here on the top right-hand side, she clicked on Edit Page. And since this is a wiki, anyone in the community in our 9th grade class can add to it. So what she did is when she clicked on Edit, she can now go into the text and add the title of her tutorial, right? She'll then want to hyperlink that, so she'll highlight it. She'll go up here to this little chain link. She's going to click on that. And then importantly, pay attention on this one, she's going to go over here, she's going to create a link to a web address. So she needs to click here, and then this is where she would paste the link to her URL. I'm just going to grab this one and put it in there as an example. When she clicks OK, you'll see that it is now highlighted and has a line under it. That means it's an active link. She would go under here and put posted by, well, in my case it would be Mr. Gore, and then underneath she'll provide a 1 or 2 sentence description or summary about what the tutorial is about. Okay, this tutorial will help you gain basic skills in After Effects. All right, once she's done that, all you have to do is go up here to this blue button, you click on Save, and you are a contributor to our wiki. All right, guys, look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow. I want you to start getting familiar with these tools and using them. You will have all the time tomorrow to sandbox those applications. All right, see you then.